So here's how to add music to WhatsApp status. So it's quite complicated thing because there is no direct way to add music to WhatsApp status. So we will redirect this WhatsApp status from the Instagram. Alright. So first of all, we need to go to the Instagram, and let me just assure you that after watching this video you will know how you can make WhatsApp status with the music, and it is 100% guaranteed and that you can do that. Alright, so first of all you need to tap on the plus icon, and then from here you need to go to this story button on the bottom side, and then from here just let me just have took a picture. Alright, so then from here you need to add a music to this picture. So tap on the music button, and then you can add any kind of music you like. So let's just add one. So here we go, and then tap on done. So the music has been added to this photo. So now what you can simply do, go to the notification section and then select screen recorder like this. From here you need to go to the settings of the screen recorder to make sure that it captures the sounds. All right, so from the sound source we can see it is being said that it takes the sounds from the system sounds which we want. All right, so select that and go back. All right, so now what you can simply do, just record while the music starts. So now as you can see we have just started the recording while the music has just started. So we will record this like for 10 seconds long. All right, so now we will stop the recording and we got our video. So let's just go to the photos to find out the video, and here you go. So here is the photo and it has music on it. But the problem is there are a frame of the Instagram in this photo, so we need to remove that as well. So from here we need to go to the edit option right over here. So tap on the edit, and then we will crop down the parts we don't want, so like this, and then from the above we will crop it like that. All right, then tap on the save and copy. So tap on save and copy, and it will save the actual photo with the music. So as you can see we got the video as well as the music. So now what you can simply do, go to the WhatsApp, and then from here tap on the updates option, and then as you can see here is the add status option. So tap on that, and now select the video that you have just recorded. So tap on that, and we got the video as well as the music into the WhatsApp status. It is quite complicated, but now you know how to do that. So thank you so much guys for watching. Have a very good day.